This is Miss Tanya coming to you to thank you. We just reached 2,000 subscribers. I'm so excited and wanted to come on to just say thanks, y'all, for liking how I do my hair and scalp restoration on a holistic level. Alrighty, and I talk to you like you're in the video because this is your video. Okay. But we just completed your holistic scalp detox, and now I'm here to provide you with your your hair growth analysis. So we're going to go in like you're seeing me do with my camera, 12 times magnified, to look at your pores, and you have amazing growth ability. So what I like to point out in the video is like right here, you only have one strand coming out of this pore. But right here, see that right there? You've got two strands coming out of a pore. So that tells me, and you've got a lot of space here where you should have hairs just like you do down in here. So this is the crown, which is the thinnest area of your head, but I see that you have amazing growth ability that you begin to lose, because now that I'm looking at other strands, other pores, here's another one. You've got two strands coming out of this one pore here. So this is what I do. I'm going to restore your growth ability. We've begun reversing your hair loss today, and we're going to get all these pores to produce. Look, now you got 3 coming out of that one right there. So that tells me you're going to do well. All right, so we're back, and we've already shampooed you, but remember I said that there was a lot of oil presence, right? And because of that oil presence, it had your buildup a little soggy. This is a form of dermatitis. If you were to go see a dermatologist, they would tell you that you either have yeast or dermatitis on the scalp, and you see that here. That's around the pore. This is the pore. This is the pore down in here, and this is buildup that has collected around the pore. So over time, when I come back to do your scalp in session 4, you're not gonna have this type of buildup on your surface after we shampoo. But this is my video that proves shampoo don't get it off, because we shampooed you and used a brush twice. Along the course of my career, I've set out to find a different way. I've looked at things like, why does our hair grow so slow? Why do we have these flakes? Why does our scalp itch? And with all of that, I have found a new approach that is really making a difference and allowing us to experience a different type of hair care for your hair. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've already mastered my approach from behind the chair, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to offer you an amazing opportunity. An opportunity to not only maximize your earning potential, but also increase your clientele base by learning how to administer a holistic scalp detox from behind your chair. Let me tell you why you want to take this training. Not only does holistic scalp detoxing provide an amazing massage to the client that not only increases blood flow to the surface, but we all know that this is the catalyst to hair growth, but you're also going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone by lifting any dandruff, aka psoriasis, that may be on the surface. This is going to minimize your client's hair loss which is a win-win for everyone involved. For 2 hours of your time, you're going to learn a holistic scalp detox, which is not only going to help you know and understand what it is, but it also is going to help you to understand why it builds and what to do to minimize it and manage it. So I encourage you to register today.